In this video, we will be completing the chicken paprikas dish. So far, we have made the spatzel, we have seared and braised our chicken. Now we're going to create the sauce and assemble the dish. Behind me in this pot right here, I have the braising liquid from cooking the chicken. Here's the breast. Here are the legs. We will be serving the breast meat today for lunch. We have grilled asparagus with a lemon vinaigrette, herb vinaigrette, and we have our spatzel. We have some nice toasted butter going on top of our spatzel, salt and pepper. Now the sauce is really the key ingredient, the key element to this dish. Finishing it correctly is really what makes it. It's where all the flavor is. It's where the sauce, a lot of the moisture content comes from. So the way we're going to finish the sauce is we have about 4 quarts of chicken braising liquid, which was mostly chicken stock with some aromatics. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of roux. And remember, whenever we're adding a thickening agent like a roux or a slurry, we want to make sure that the liquid is simmering or boiling. It might require a little bit more roux. I'm making this recipe from memory. So we always want to keep in mind that if we don't know exactly how much thickening agent we need to use, to start with a smaller amount, start with a less amount. That way, if we need to adjust it, all we have to do is add more thickening agent rather than come up with more of the chicken broth, which would be much more problematic. I have more roux over here on the side. If I need to add more, I'll do so after about a minute of it cooking here. We'll be able to see how thick the sauce is. I'm going to add another 1/2 cup of roux. I can already sense it's not going to be as thick as I like. I believe that will bring us to the proper consistency. Now, we're also going to add 1 cup of sour cream. This dish requires a lot of paprika, so we're going to add 4 tablespoons of paprika. Paprika comes from a pepper. It is a dehydrated, ground, very, very mild, sweet-tasting pepper. Not like cayenne peppers or chilies. If we were adding that much cayenne pepper or chili powder to a dish, we would expect it to be very, very, very spicy. This dish, even though it has a lot of pepper, is not going to be very spicy. While this is coming up to a boil, we can start to assemble our plate. Traditionally, this dish is finished with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkling of paprika. If you'd like to add a little bit of green, a little bit of parsley as well. Braised chicken paprikas with spatzel and grilled asparagus.